Some people operate better in delusion in their real life also because they're creative people.
Yeah.
बट अंदर ही अंदर सब अपना सच जानते हैं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. और जो नहीं जानते वो यहाँ टिक नहीं पाते. But I'm sure there must have been an overlap of people. I guess it was not as evident as this. मुझ तक बात नहीं पहुंची, but I don't think directly इतना हुआ. अगर आपका पार्टनर किसी और के साथ extra intimate photos या कुछ डाल दे तो how do you react to it? But again, that's part of the profession. That's the thing. But as if he's going to tell you, you'll have to do research, no?
But that's what I'm
That's
saying.
what
Would
she's
you
saying.
want
Would you
to
want to know? I would want to know.
You'd want to
Whether
know.
he tells me or no is different.
Yeah, I don't know
should
what boy is.
आजकल बहुत स्कैम हो
Boys,
रहे हैं.
हाँ.
I'm not really.
बड़े-बड़े स्कैम हो रहे हैं.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and I'm literally with two funny people right here, extremely talented, Arjun Kapoor and Bhumi Pednekar. So nice to have you all.
Same.
इसके आंखों में खुशी के आंसू है कि वो मेरे बगल में आज इंटरव्यू दे रही है. आप देखो बेचारी रोक नहीं
आज कुछ
इतने सालों बाद मैंने उसे मौका दिया मेरे बगल में बैठ के बातचीत कर ले.
some laughing gas
नहीं
has come.
He is the laughing gas.
That's a nice compliment.
I don't know.
I'm always.
I don't know about that. But yeah, she's always laughing. She's always laughing when I'm around because I keep making her laugh. Her and Rakul तो खैर बेचारी बहुत आसानी से हंस देती है मेरे सारे जोक.
हाँ, उसको जैकी ने ट्रीटिंग दी हुई है. जैकी के पीछे इसमें रकुल अकेली है. That's love. True love.
That's true love. नहीं, but सबसे ज्यादा लोग अगर हंसे तो ट्रेलर के देखने के बाद, एंड स्पेशली जो ट्रेलर का बिगिनिंग था, अगर आप कमेंट्स भी पढ़ोगे तो पीपल आर लविंग द फैक्ट कि आपने हाउ हैव यू ऑल लाफ्ड ऑन योरसेल्व्स एंड मेड फन ऑफ योरसेल्फ. वो आइडिया किसका था और डिड यू ऑल सजेस्ट दिस, और when you all saw the final product, वो कैसा लगा?
No, I think it was Mudassar sir and the marketing team and Jackie, everybody sat down. We also were aware of what they were trying to do, I guess, out of the box.
Yeah.
To try and also, honestly, क्या होता है यार, you need to be aware in this profession. You have to take the job seriously, but you cannot take yourself seriously. तो कहीं ना कहीं हम जानते हैं हमारी फिल्म का टेक्सचर क्या है, कलर क्या है, ग्रेन क्या है, हम उस ऑडियंस से अपील करना चाहते हैं that can take a joke, can crack a joke.
Yeah.
So I think it all came together very nicely where we attempted it and we showed it to a few people around us to also understand that are we actually being funny or are we being silly. Response बहुत अच्छा आया हमें, so I think we all got the confidence to let's take a chance. कई बार you have to think out of the box when you to put your film out, and like I said, laughing at yourself is sometimes the best way to connect with the audience that looks at you in a certain way and wonders are we aware.
Yeah.
Self awareness में जब आप हंस सकते हो अपने ऊपर, that does not mean that you believe everything that is said or written, but you understand sometimes people have a certain way of thinking and you laugh at it and you move on. Also, I think what it does is लोग थोड़े relax हो जाते हैं. अच्छा ये तो जानते हैं अपनी सच्चाई, चलो इनका ट्रेलर एंजॉय करते हैं. So somewhere it just calms you down as a viewer saying हम तो क्या बनाए इन्होंने, देखना चाहते हैं.
हम नहीं बोल दिया.
अच्छा इन्होंने बोल दिया, अच्छा ठीक है ट्रेलर देख ही लेते हैं. So then you give the film a slightly more fair shot. I feel that's the feedback I got. Most people said यार वो पहले 30 सेकंड से आपने हमें अंदर ले लिया and then we were able to enjoy it. So I guess it worked. I don't know the science behind it, but हमने कोशिश की है सबने, but it kind of hit the spot. People ended up enjoying. And credit to I think Mudassar, and I think credit to both the girls for taking the joke. Credit to myself also that we were open to taking the chance. It could have backfired also, but I'm glad people have liked it.
I think it was hilarious.
Thank you.
But आपने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज कही है कि सेल्फ अवेयर रहना जरूरी है, बट आई फील एज एन एक्टर थोड़ा डिल्यूजन भी जरूरी है इस इंडस्ट्री में.
यार वो तो मुझे लगता है naturally because of your environment and the kind of people that you have, वो एक level का होता ही है. I think what's tougher is to be on the other side where you are more self-aware. Being delusional, what's the word? Delusional is something that you're constantly, every 3 months you're doing a new character. You work with newer set of people. You have your team that obviously has like their best intent for you, but आपको ना हमेशा एक पेडेस्टल पे रखा जाता है. So I think it's very important to be grounded. So that's the tougher part.
That's the tougher part. But I feel somewhere as actors that is sometimes necessary also.
What, the delusion?
Delulu.
See, listen, okay, बहुत आपने जो सवाल पूछा उसका जवाब संक्षेप में देना बहुत मुश्किल. Because क्या delusion जरूरी है आपके क्राफ्ट के लिए. That you need to believe you're capable of doing the character. You need to create it. But आपकी निजी जिंदगी में delusion अगर overlap हो जाए तो प्रॉब्लम है. तो आपको अपनी असलियत पता होनी चाहिए एज एन इंसान, और आपको एज एन एक्टर वो डिल्यूजन का सही इस्तेमाल करके काम करना चाहिए. पर आप जब घर पहुंचो अगर आपको लोग डिल्यूजन में रख रहे तो वो लोग की प्रॉब्लम है. दे आर क्रिएटिंग अ प्रॉब्लम वेयर यू विल नॉट नो योर रियलिटी. ऐसा होता है. some people operate better in delusion in their real life also because they're creative people.
Yeah.
But अंदर ही अंदर सब अपना सच जानते हैं,
जानते हैं।
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता।
Yeah.
और जो नहीं जानते वो यहाँ टिक नहीं पाते, because you need to be aware at some level there will be some honest person who will be telling you something. You might agree to it today, or you might agree to it after 2 years, but आपको अपनी सच्चाई आपको अंदर पता होती है। But the delusion, if it helps you operate, देखिए कई बार नकाब होते हैं जिंदगी में, so delusion is also a way of just masking your inner fears, inner way of functioning.
That's true.
As long as आप उस delusion में किसी और का नुकसान नहीं कर रहे, I think then it's fine. उतना delulu is good for the soul.
Solulu. Solulu.
Solulu. But सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज मुझे ये लगी कि 2 लड़कियां आपके लिए झगड़ रही है, which is so much fun. अपनी निजी जिंदगी में ऐसा हुआ है कि यार 2 boys have fought for you or 2 girls have fought for you ever in school, college, in life?
बताओ।
You answer first.
नहीं तो ladies first. मैं बहुत रिस्पेक्टफुल इस मामले में। ये सवाल पहले लड़कियां देंगी।
हाँ।
यार मतलब
हुआ है?
but I have never fought with a girl.
इनको पता नहीं हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है। She was Dilulu. She has in her own world.
I don't know.
idea.
I have memory loss.
इनको अभी भी खबर नहीं है कि वो लड़ रहे थे या एक दूसरे के दोस्त
आप
थे।
लड़ रहे थे या कोई
नहीं,
आपके लिए लड़ रहा था?
Or sisters over misters always. I'm
Bros over.
200%.
मत खत्म।
Oh, yeah, I can't. We can't finish
Yeah.
that. But I'm too much of a girl's girl, so never like fought over the same boy.
But I have 2 guys fought for you.
Must have.
Did anyone?
बड़े बड़े शहर में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें
Must
होती
have.
हैं।
अभी तो वो हुआ होगा, but some.
हाँ अभी कल परसों हो रहा था
He's cool.
हाँ.
Arjun's
तुम्हें
turn.
बहुत शौक था मेरे साथ इंटरव्यू करने का,
Arjun's
मरी जा रही थी
turn.
तुम।
Now she's contemplating. What about you? Have 2 girls fought besides the film?
No, not in the way in the film, but I'm sure there must have been an overlap of people. I guess it was not as evident as this. मुझ तक बात नहीं पहुंची, but I don't think directly इतना हुआ।
यार तो फिल्म में तो जो हो रहा है और जिस लेवल का हो रहा है, there's just like one वो कुछ करती है, मैं कुछ करती हूँ।
ये तो दोनों जानती है कि वो लड़ रही है ना।
Yeah.
तो निजी जिंदगी में इतना आसान थोड़ा होता है 2 लड़कियां बैठ के बोलेगी मैं लड़ूंगी उसके लिए, मैं लड़ूंगी उसके लिए।
नहीं, but after Danger Lanka,
Yes.
लोगों ने इतना पसंद किया, इतना प्यार किया है. But I've always told you this, Arjun. I've loved you in your 2 states era, and to
Thank
see that again, in your lover boy zone is always fun, always refreshing. Which side do you like more? Do you like the action hero Arjun Kapoor or the Key and Ka and the 2 states?
I like
sort of?
both यार, to be honest. वही तो मजा है एक एक्टर होने का कि आप कभी इस दुनिया में जा सकते हो, कभी उस दुनिया में जा सकते हो। वरना एक्टिंग, अगर मैं आज डेंजर लंका पसंद आया लोगों को, अगर मैं सिर्फ विलन वाले रोल करता रहूंगा, मैं भी उब जाऊंगा, आप भी उब जाओगे, ऑडियंस उब जाएगी। यू ऑल्सो कैन नॉट लर्न। आई थिंक मैंने जब 2 स्टेज की थी तब मैं उसके पहले 3-4 एक्शन पिक्चरें करके आ रहा था, इंटेंस पिक्चरें करके आ रहा था। जब कियन का की थी तभी उसके पहले तेवर की थी। सो आई हैव ऑलवेज ट्राइड टू, नॉट दैट एक वहाँ एक यहाँ, बट आई हैव ऑलवेज ट्राइड टू प्ले बोथ द साइड्स। आई लाइक डूइंग बोथ। ऑफ कोर्स द filmy child inside me loves the big scale action dramas, because वो posturing, वो acting, वो the whole set comes together to, because आपको वो एक पूरा visual मिलता है। तो I love that side of it, whether it's Gunde or Singham again. But I think because I relate to these characters as a person, I think there's a certain amount of empathy I have for Krish Malhotra, for Kabir. And in this case Ankur also. तो कहीं ना कहीं जब आप एक कैरेक्टर से थोड़ा रिलेट करते हो, you want to see okay how can I play it not like Arjun but still understand what he is. जैसे अंकुर मेरे लिए बहुत, I did this film only because of the fact that I've done Kiyanka and 2 states and I wanted to go back because a lot of people had told me how much they were missing me doing that kind of space. So it was there, the right director, the right people. But मुझे ये कैरेक्टर भी इंटरेस्टिंग लगा because जिस तरह फंसा हुआ है ना, he's not that person that is going out of his way to trouble the girls. He's not going out of his way to play them again. वो चालू आदमी नहीं है. He's not enjoying this.
Green flag.
He's actually trying to balance the situation. He's trying to just make sure कि everything goes, which I felt is a slightly fresh take. Normally triangle में क्या होता है, वो तीसरे कैरेक्टर को पता होता है और वो भिड़ाते रहता है, या you're enjoying yourself by watching. So I thought this was a very interesting thing that a guy is stuck in a very unique situation where he's about to get married. And his ex-wife has come back and is now going to try and create a ruckus in his life. That awareness of balancing, वो जो एक आदमी चल रहा है ना, बेचारा एक कॉमन मैन, एक आम आदमी जो अपर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से हेल करता है, मुझे वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा। So I hope people find him like the everyday romantic hero that you can, like she said, a green flag, a guy who's
Yeah.
not a hero in the way he's behaving, but just the way he's reacting to the women in his life, which I feel is important in today's generation to understand. You don't need to
Sure.
always be a hero by doing.
Yeah.
It's also by taking understanding.
Also, the definition of what is heroic is so warped, right, over time, that there's just like so much of unnecessary masculinity that we attach to just
That's
being
true.
heroic,
Perhaps,
right?
yes.
Like men can be kind, they can cry,
Hmm.
they can have a soft soul,
Vulnerable
you know, they can be
side.
vulnerable.
Yeah.
And I feel that, in all honesty, is a green flag, right?
Yes.
Like, this conversation happens, itna, what's a red flag, what's a green
Yeah.
flag? All these traits are what actually a great partner should have. And I feel Arjun's character in the film is exactly that, which was so refreshing. Even when I was reading it, I was like, oh my God, okay, like, you know, we have a portrayal of a man that is
Yeah.
the way it should be.
Hmm.
है ना? And all the chanteshwari things like Rakul and I are doing. So,
No, but why do you keep calling him a green flag? Like, what is? आप इनको इतने अच्छे से जानते हो.
नहीं वो अंकुर को
What-
बुला रही है.
Even you, she called you in the last interview a green flag. What are the green flag qualities actually?
yeah, Arjun he's just a good guy. He's a nice guy. He has a kind soul. Like, he has a
Yeah.
kind heart. And I've spent enough time with him over the past few years to suss him out. And he's a really, really kind person. He's very funny.
Yeah.
Very witty.
That we can see. But would you call her a red flag or a green flag?
No, she's not a red flag at all. यार, I think हर इंसान individually जब आप बैठते हो ना, आपकी equation जब बढ़ती जाती है, you discover more about them. So I think she's talking out of getting to know me, and now over the last couple of years we've done work together. We spent too much time together.
Hmm.
She's being very kind about it. I do feel I have good qualities. I'm a person who is very aware of other people's feelings. I think that is something that what she's talking about is I will always keep everything at the forefront. मैं अपने आप के बारे में नहीं सोचता. Where Bhumi is concerned, I think I don't like using these terms red flag, green flag. I would say she's unique, she's special, she knows what she wants in life, but she also doesn't know what she wants in life. And I love that about her. I feel she's so spontaneous, she's so real. There's something very authentic about the fact that she's everywhere, but she's with you. So I don't know about red flag, green flag, but as a person, what I love about her is that there is an energy to her. If she'll enter a room, it's not that she's trying to create attention. She just has an energy. She has an attitude and a vibe, like she likes to use, which I really appreciate, because you need people in your life to enter your life and add an energy.
Yeah.
You know, कुछ लोग होते हैं जो आपके लाइफ में जब आते हैं, and मैं ये नहीं कह रहा लाइफ में आते हैं, रोज भी जब आते हैं ना, मैं फोन भी उठा लूं भूमि पे ना, वो कल एक बार गाना देख के इतनी खुश हो गई वो वीडियो कॉल करी थी मुझे. You need people like her in your life who are your supporters, your cheerleaders, who are there when you want to speak. Like I was not well yesterday. She's picked up the phone to ask me, you know, I couldn't do some of the interviews yesterday.
Yeah.
You need people like that. And I don't know if that's a red flag or a green flag, but I think that's a sign of somebody who has empathy,
Yeah.
somebody who's connected to you. And that's the foundation of good people, where they're looking out for you without any selfish motives. And I think because me and she, we also have certain things that are common in our lives that have happened. So we have a bond that is such. But to long story short, she's the kind of person that I can trust her with everything. And
She's
that
emo. Even she didn't know it.
no, in the sense I
No,
can
I
trust her
think-
with everything. She
yeah.
knows that. She's
Yeah.
aware of it. I mean, there are things that we've discussed and shared in life because of the kind of time we've spent.
Yeah.
She's a good person. I get to see a different side of her when we spend time together. But she's at the core, she's a good person.
Yeah.
But Samiksha is a slightly better person.
Shut up.
Her
I tell
sister
you,
is slightly
You know,
better.
I have to tell you, right? Like, in my experience of being an actor, like, you know, these are small things, right?
Yeah.
Like, for example, when your co-actor knows that as a girl, you're going to take 2.5 hours to get ready, and they pick the bait in that, okay, start the day with me, right? Because otherwise they'll have to wake up at 4 a.m. and come to make it at 7 a.m. But
Yeah.
I can do it like in half an hour, 45 minutes. Like, you know, these small little things
yeah.
when somebody is just
Considerate.
considerate, right? Or when we are promoting that, okay, taking charge and making sure that, okay, Rakul and Bhumi need to be safe. What is the security like, right? Like, he could be getting pushed or whatever, but he'll make sure that we are okay, and taking charge like that, and on things that we might not even think of. You know, so these are just
Yeah, but
kind things.
But
take it now.
no, but I'm saying these are things that we don't need to like अभी interview में
Address.
बोलेंगे क्या ये
हाँ.
these are basics that I feel I'm taking
No.
it but
No, Arjun,
It's the
these are
little
not
things that
basics.
matter.
I'm
okay fair
sorry.
enough चलो
I have now 10 years, okay? Now I'm very experienced.
चलो ठीक
These are not basics, trust me.
These are little things and it
Yeah.
doesn't happen and it's
No,
so
it
nice
doesn't
to
happen.
no
see
but yeah so I agree
people
with that
finding
but
friends in the
यार,
industry
problem क्या है ना,
genuinely.
दोस्ती की बात करो काम पे
हाँ.
जब आता है ना वो बोलेंगे लोग बोलेंगे अच्छा ये तो ऐसे एक दूसरे की तारीफ करे मुझे कभी कभी तारीफ
अरे?
करना अजीब लगता है बट वन थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू से अबाउट हर
हाँ.
नहीं मुझे अजीब लगता है मैं
नहीं,
क्या
but
करूं
मुझे
एक्चुअली मुझे
genuine
आदत भी नहीं है मुझे
मुझे
आदत
अजीब-
नहीं है इतनी तारीफ
No,
सुनने
because the
की
thing is
इसीलिए।
that I'm telling you, it's like the smaller gestures that
Yeah,
matter.
100%. Like standing for cues. I feel
Yeah.
a lot of things, small things like आपका शॉट हो गया ना,
Hmm.
उसके बाद मेरा क्लोजअप लगेगा, आप कैसे cues देते हो, उससे आपको आदमी की फितरत पता लगती है.
Hmm.
That's a big give. And for me, I know Bhumi, okay, Bhumi loves doing takes. And I will be there to give every take
Yeah,
for
he
her.
is.
Okay,
And
I will
I'm
always
so
be there.
thankful for that.
But that does not mean, अच्छा भूमि को मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ तू पहले अपना कर ले. Because it's better than I know what all she's done, then I can react as an actor because I prefer to be slightly more spontaneous and I go with the director's instinct a lot.
Hmm.
Two different styles, but we could make it work because after doing say 10 take, because उसको variation करना था, try करना था,
Hmm.
camera shift होके मुझ पे आया. She could have let go of everything. All her energy can be gone. She can be flat in her take, in her reaction to me, in my. But she will perform with equal gusto, equal energy, and equal intent to make the scene work. So you understand people as personalities in those moments.
Hmm.
When you have nothing to gain and you're still there to make the film work, to make the other person's performance work, it shows the kind of person you are.
Absolutely. No, I've heard this a lot from a lot of actors.
About Bhumi,
No, about cues. About
हाँ.
cues.
it's a big giveaway.
Yeah.
जो आदमी क्यूज पे आपके लिए खड़ा रहता है ना उसका शॉट खत्म हो जाए उसका पैकअप भी होने पे अगर एक लाइन बची अगर वो रह जाए ना आदमी
बहुत
it shows that his culture of filmmaking is and as a person also it gives an insight slightly.
I'm a little short on time. I'm
Yeah,
going
and our answers are very
Yeah, I was like,
Guys,
wow.
can't do
मैंने इनको बोला था 2-3 इंटरव्यू रखे ताकि हम आराम से बात कर सकें बट ठीक
would love that. वो हम करेंगे बाद में भी. But जाने से पहले I'm going to ask you.
इंस्टेंट पॉसिबल को तो एक और एक्स्ट्रा मिल ही जाएगा वो माइक पे पहुंच ही जाएगा हम बाहर निकलेंगे एक माइक तो रेडी होगा करना चाहिए सर क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप आपने इंटरव्यू किया तो
मेरे साथ एक लंबा वाला बाद में
उनके साथ आपसे लंबा हो जाएगा बिकॉज गाड़ी ढूंढते ढूंढते वो 4 सवाल तो पूछ ही लेंगे
मुझे
और उसके बीच में वो गाड़ी ढूंढने के लिए मदद भी नहीं हाँ सर उधर है चलिए
Soil is getting hiccups at this point, literally. So जाने से पहले आप quickly going to give you all a few relationship situations. आपको मेरे को बोलना है आप ये tolerate करोगे या नहीं करोगे.
अच्छा भाई प्रेशर
ठीक है. अगर आपका पार्टनर वेजिटेरियन हो या नॉन वेजिटेरियन हो
अरे,
and they
it's a
tell
big
you to
one.
convert into
No.
another.
कन्वर्ट क्योंकि
Convert.
जब प्यार किसी से करते हो तो उनको ऐसा मत बदलो
नहीं होता है.
नहीं
Like,
पर
each to their own.
पर वो सही
Yeah.
थोड़ी ना है
So
आप
that-
बदलो मत लोगो
Yeah.
you should love somebody for what they are and the choices they've made for so many years to become what they are. If they out of their own free will want to do something, that is very different than you having to say. If somebody tells me तुम मेरे लिए इतना change हो जाओ जो आपका natural behavior है, it will affect my entire personality for the rest of my life. So it shouldn't be that extreme that you have to convert.
Right.
If
Good.
somebody chooses to, that's
Their
their
choice.
prerogative.
No, I don't want anybody to change.
Change
Yeah.
this thing. Okay, if your partner is not on social media, is that a
अच्छी बात है.
बहुत अच्छी बात है.
सही
I
Good.
was also not on social media.
Okay,
I was very happy when I was not on social media.
if the partner decides to split the bill on the first date,
Why not? It's amazing.
okay with it? As a guy,
Should.
would you do that?
Yeah, what has that got to do with if somebody wants to, if you're on the first date, you're saying, I don't know her, I don't know if I'll spend the rest of my life with her. If she feels that she does not want it to feel like a date where she's bound because I'm paying for it, that she needs to spend more time or she needs to be nicer to me. If she's a woman that values her independence, it's also an insight into seeing how the personality is and it allows you to see that. आज आप जिस तरह हो, hopefully you'll be like that only. So there's nothing wrong with that.
Well said. If your partner posts a lot of thirst traps, is that a red flag or green flag?
It depends what profession they're in also, no? In our profession, sadly, whether you like it or not, there are certain things that you do for your film, for the brands that you do, for the magazine shoots, etc. So you can't get affected all the time, right? If it's being done intentionally when there's no context, then I guess it's something to discuss.
I don't know. I don't have a view on it actually.
Really?
Yeah, because the thing is, again, as he said, right? Because in our profession, that's something I do myself. So I don't know if I would. No, I don't know if I post thirst traps.
Why
but-
not?
अभी तुमने बोल दिया तो
बोल दिया है.
अब तो edit में रह जाएगा.
No, but the thing is that, you know, our profession is such, right? So
Yeah.
I don't know.
No, you're always
if my
trying to be the
partner
most
tells-
attractive version of
Yeah.
yourself on Instagram or
I think
social
it's fine.
media.
Yeah.
To each their own.
Okay.
अब
So,
ना उसमें ये पेचीदा सवाल है कि अगर आपका पार्टनर किसी और के साथ
थर्स्ट
extra-
ट्रैक थोड़ी डालेगा.
extra intimate photos या कुछ डाल दे तो how do you react to it? But again, that's part of the profession. That's the thing.
Okay, if your partner is a workaholic and has no time for you.
I think it's absolutely fine.
यार ये क्या बहुत वेग चीज है
Because I'm
इसीलिए
a
पूछ रही
workaholic.
हूँ.
हाँ
हाँ.
वर्कaholic तो मैं भी हूँ, ये भी है, सब ये जो काम करता है वो तो वर्कaholic होती है.
And also, I don't think your ambition should be pulled back. I think that's a very big red flag for me. Like,
as
if
long
they
as
are
you can
like,
find a balance. no?
absolutely, balance is very important.
Yeah.
But if you can't find a balance, that's also a problem.
Yeah.
And you should know when work is important. You should know
Correct.
when in that moment somebody might need you or the relationship needs you.
Correct.
You need to make choices.
Correct.
Lastly, अगर your partner does not tell you everything about their past, is that a red flag or a green flag?
ये मतलब आपको क्या लगता है क्या होना
मुझे तो
चाहिए?
जानना होता है सब
तो
कुछ.
फिर
मैं
तो
तुम
मतलब
अपने
ये
लिए
जो
बोल
आप चाहते हो कि हम यही बोले जो आप बोल रहे हो?
नहीं, ये
I
मेरा
don't know.
point
But
of view है.
कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है कि I think no, yeah, actually even I want to know.
Some people are like, it's okay,
What if
but I don't
what
want
if
to
he's
know.
a criminal and done like some?
And he's going to tell you on the
We have
first date.
reached everything.
Actually ना मैं क्रिमिनल हूँ. मैंने अभी भी 100 करोड़ की चोरी की और आपके साथ डिनर पे आया हूँ.
Listen, आजकल you need to know everything.
Everything.
But as if he's going to tell you, you'll have to do research, no?
But that's what I'm
That's
saying.
what
Would
she's
you
saying.
want
Would
to
you
know?
want to know? I would want to know.
You don't want to
Whether
know.
he tells me or no is different.
Yeah, I don't
you
know
should
about boys.
आजकल बहुत scam हो
Boys,
रहे हैं.
हाँ.
I'm not really.
बड़े-बड़े scam हो रहे हैं.
हाँ पर मैं मंडरा नहीं रहा ना ढूंढने के लिए क्योंकि मिल जाए मुझे यार. मैं I'm quite okay the way I am right now.
Okay.
You eventually, if you're dating somebody, then you should know so then you're not caught by surprise later by somebody telling you
Yeah.
shit later about that person. That's it.
Yeah, fair enough.
If it's a date or if you're just hanging with somebody, you don't need to know everything.
हाँ,
about
not
them.
then.
If
I
there's
think-
something serious, then you should know everything ताकि nobody else can create problems between you and the person. That's it.
No, absolutely. I think this is great. But kudos to this film and wishing you guys all the very best for मेरे husband की
Thank
movie.
you.
Thank you.
I'm sure it's going to make everyone laugh and more of these. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe to
Instant Bollywood.